This is a tutorial video for using the V5 with Lightburn software. Visit the Lightburn official website and download the software. Choose the software version that matches your system. Here we'll use Windows as an example. Download and install. Open the software. New users get a 30-day free trial. After that, a Lightburn code license key should be purchased to keep using it. Note, the V5 is a Galvo laser and requires Lightburn Pro version to operate. When you enter the software, it will prompt you to create a machine configuration file. First, create a virtual device. The configuration file is included on the USB drive provided with your V5. If the USB drive is lost, you can use your V5 machine code to contact Sculpfun support for assistance. Select the configuration file and import it. Using the 150mm field lens as an example, the 70mm field lens is adjusted in the same way. Modify the parameters according to the values shown in the images inside the 150mm lens folder on the USB drive included with V5. Adjust each parameter according to the corresponding value. Note, make sure to enable the Galvo 2 is X-axis in the Galvo 2 section. Click Ports and Laser Settings and set them as shown in the figure on the right. You can also find this figure in the user manual. Note, do not run SGD Laser and Lightburn at the same time, as this may cause software compatibility issues. Adjust the parameters. Place the material and adjust the focus. Click Frame to open the live framing window, where you can choose different frame styles. Start engraving.